Yo, what's good YouTube, this is Angry. Today I got a new video for you guys, and today basically we're going to be installing WooCommerce like I said in the previous video. So all I really need you to do is just go into your localhost WordPress and then WP admin, then go into plugins, add new plugin, right, search WooCommerce. If for some reason this does not appear on your page, that is fine, but if it does appear, just install it. However, if it does not appear, just search WooCommerce plugin, and then you can just download that. You can use either way. Again, this way is just in case you can't see it here. Right, so it's done. You can just upload the plugin, browse, and then go to your downloads, the WooCommerce, and that is pretty much it. It will be installed. So I'm gonna leave this installing just for a few moments, and let's go actually to the code side. All right, so in terms of the code side, go into your root folder. All right, let me just zoom in a little bit for you guys. All right, that's too much. All right, that's good. All right, let's create first of all a new file, and let's call that woocommerce.php. all right, so let's go into functions right now, and after enqueuing your styles and the library load and everything, you can just add in a comment over here, and let's call this add WooCommerce support, for example. All right, let's open up a PHP tag, and let's add in the code. Right, so basically what we're going to be doing, we're just going to add in a function that is going to be add WooCommerce support. You can actually rename it whatever you want, like let's say for example advanced theme add WooCommerce support, and then inside that function we're going to add theme, then support. And basically, as you can see over here in the WordPress codex, and also I'm going to show you guys in the next videos how to actually make your IDE support WordPress like I do over here, and show the functions and everything. I'm going to show you the extensions I use, but for now just bear with me. So as you can see, this basically just is a feature function that you can basically add features to. So that is what we're going to do. So we're going to add theme support, and then we're going to add in WooCommerce, right? So finally, after that, we just need to add something called add action, and that's basically hooks to a function to the action that we just mentioned. All right, and that action basically, we're gonna, after setup theme, we're gonna also add in the name of the function itself. You can just get that, copy it, and add it between the strings. Right, so that is pretty much it in terms of the functions.php. Let's go right now to our woocommerce.php, and let's actually display that. So let's open up a PHP tag. Right, let's get the header. Let's open up another PHP tag, and that PHP tag is going to add in the WooCommerce support. Right, so basically to display that, we're gonna use the WooCommerce content. All right, so PHP WooCommerce, all right, and then content. All right, so right now it's just showing us that it's undefined, so that is fine. Let's keep it like that for now. All right, and let's then add in the footer. All right, let's save that now, let's go check out the plugin itself, right? So let's activate that. So when you activate it, it's gonna automatically like make a couple of pages for you. So let me just remove my other pages so you could see what pages are basically added by WooCommerce automatically. So the pages that are added automatically are the cart, checkout, shop, and E3 pages basically, right? So let's go and view them. Of course, right now it's not showing anything because we still haven't set it up anything. So let's set up the store. You can just set up just like a demo store, like whatever for now. All right. Just choose wherever you're located. So we're just gonna set up like a demo product, and there is like demo products that you could actually directly get. You can also install these plugins if you want to, but I'm not gonna do that. All right. All right, so to install the demo products, just go into products, right? And actually, if you go into your plugins folder, you're gonna find out there is like a demo file they add already with the plugin. So if you go into htdocs, WordPress, WordPress content, plugins, and WooCommerce, there's like a sample data. So sample products, sample tax rates, and so on and so forth. So add products. So if you want like the demo products, you can just import this. So you can just add over here. Go where I showed you to the example htdocs, WordPress, WordPress content, and then plugins, WooCommerce, sample data, and then choose the CSV file sample products, right? Continue. And that's gonna basically just give us like a demo product page and like a like demo products that we can actually use and show, right? Of course, it's not gonna use a secure connection because we're using HTTP like on localhost, but in production, you can use HTTPS really, right? So it's just gonna import the products. And let's go back to our home page. Let me just check out right now other pages, right? So we can just go into like the checkout page, for example, or actually we want to check out the shop page. We want to see if these products are being added or not. So yeah, as you can see right now, it is being added. And of course, like there's no styling at all, there's nothing, because still the page is pretty simple at this point. We still not added any styling or anything. As you can see, even in like the cart page, it's still not showing anything because there's like nothing in the cart page and there's no styling, but in the shop page is showing everything. All right, let's actually see one last page, which is gonna be my account page and also the checkout page. Of course, it's not gonna show anything because still we haven't added in like any styles or anything, right? But this is like the shop page right now. This is the page that we have for the products. As you can see right now, even like it created like all of this just using the WooCommerce content we used over here. All right, so that is pretty much it for this video, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Basically, we're gonna be using escape functions, and I'm gonna show you guys how to actually like protect yourself against XSS scripts and basically cross-site scripting. And I'm gonna show you also another demo on like a virtual machine on the damn vulnerable web application if you guys are watching that web penetration playlist. All right, so I'll see you guys in the next video. This was Anguiri, and peace, you guys.